Now today we are going to complete the new topic, that is creating a form in MS Excel Access using a form wizard, right? So first of all we open the form table in the Access. So now we have a you can see the query 1 query 2 table also, but this is a student info. This is our main table, so we'll click on the table name in the navigation pane. After that we'll click on the create tab in the ribbon section. Okay, next in the ribbon group you have a form group, and in the form group we'll click on more forms option. Okay, and then select the form wizard option from the drop down menu. We have a 4 option, so we'll select form wizard option. Okay, now we have a form wizard dialog box will appear on the screen, and in this dialog box you can see there is a table's query name, right? So we'll select the table from the list, right? See, there is a query 1 query 2 and the table. So we want to create a form on the table, so we'll select the table name. After that, in the form wizard you have a 2 part, that is the available fields in the side is appearing, and this is selected fields, right? So we want to make a form on the fields, so we'll shift these cell from left to right. So you have a next button, you can shift here, or you have a all shift. Okay, click on that. Now you can see the selected fields, right? Means we want to create a form on the selected field. Okay, after that we'll click on next button, right? So this is again the form wizard window. In this window, what layout would you like for your form? Okay, so you have a 4 option, that is a columnar, tabular, data sheets and justify, right? So see, there is a different layout. This is a column, tabular, that means we want to see the form in a table of concepts. This is a columnar, that means we want to see the column. Data sheet concept, the heading and this row display and the colorful, and justify. Okay, so by default we are going to use the by default, that is a columnar. Okay, so we have selected the columnar layout, and after that we'll click on the next button. Okay, now in the next button we can see what style would you like, right? So we have a many number of styles, right? And if you want to use a notice board, none, module, metro, right? So you have a number of styles, you can choose any one, but we'll go through the office. Okay, office layout, right? This is a by default layout, so we will use this, and again we'll click on the next. Now in the form wizard window you have a, see what title do you want for the form. So if you want to give the title of the form, so you can type here, and after that do you want to open the form or modify the form design. So you have a 2 option, open the form to view or enter information. So this is by default. If you want to change it, so you can click on the modify the form design, but we'll go through the by default, that is the open the form is a view, to view or enter information. Okay, and there's a last is the next button, so we'll click on the finish button. So we'll click on the finish button. Now after clicking on the finish button, the new form will be appear in the Access worksheet. Now you can see in the form window, this is a student info, this is the title of the form. Okay, and all the fields are appearing in the left side, and the information of roll number 1, this is record number 1 in the database, right? We want to check the record from the database, so this is the student info, this is our main table. So now see the roll number 1 is 1 Ajay Kumar, 8th A, Indira Colony 99 this. So we want to see this is the correct data in a form. Yes or no? So see, roll number 1, name of the student Ajay, class Indra Colony, this is 9, and this. At the bottom you can see this is the navigation bar, and here's a record 1 of 5, means we have a 5 records in the table, and we are on the current record number 1. This is the next button, we'll click on the next, we can see the next record in the form. Okay, so and this is the last record, so we'll click on the last, so we'll see the last record in the form window. Okay, and this is the first, so we will click on the first, so we can see the all the records in the form. So this is a process to create a form using the form wizard. Okay, that's it.